Okay, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the video. Today, guys, we got a different one here for you. We got some train horns for Christmas. We're going to be making a mount out of this angle iron right here and some of this right here. So what we're going to do, guys, come on over here. We're going to have this plan here. We plan this out. It got bolt holes at the bottom, so we're going to bolt it through after we weld, and we're going to kind of set it up something like this. So we're thinking we're going to do this like this, and that's all going to be set up like that, and we're going to make the bracket. So we'll go ahead and get into it. We will cut up some of this metal, and I'll go ahead and see you guys when we're on the welding. All right, guys, quick change of scenery here. We are in a different building. We needed a different power outlet. The plasma cutter power at my house is unfortunately not working. So we're over here now. We got power, and we're gonna get this done. So now we got this like this, and once it goes on the back here, inside. So now small part's going to mount to the fender of the truck, because as you guys will see it, it's a very tight place to mount to. And then this is going to be the horns on the top, and it'll have room for the bolts to come down. And then we're going to mount the compressor on the back of here, which will be kind of cool, and then the other horn on top. Got all these all nice, and we're trying to get the edges all shined up so you can get some good welds. It's all super smooth, and now we're going to weld it up and then give it a fresh coat of paint. Alright guys, we got it all welded up. It looks kind of cool. I'm gonna go take the grinder down and just kind of knock off some of these crappy stuff, and we'll go throw some paint on it. Okay guys, so we officially got the mount done. Pretty close to done. I got to drill the last hole for the pump, and then I have all the everything else done. Here's the mount itself. It's kind of a cool little mount. I mean, I probably could have dropped this bracket lower if I wanted to, but I think it's like perfect where it's at. And it holds all this, so this part will be on the truck. And then all of that's all hooked up, and this is exactly how it's going to look when it's sitting in the truck, guys. So I think it's pretty cool. And take all this back off, and we're going to go ahead and paint it. Okay, everybody, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's going to have to end it right here. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this is kind of just something fun to watch, something fun to do. Peter isn't here, unfortunately, so today, obviously, is all by myself. Of course, guys, more videos in the future. Peter and I'll have a trailer build actually coming up a little bit. So, yeah, guys, I hope this is kind of a cool one to watch for you guys. I don't know how fun it was or not. But, as always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll go ahead and see you guys next one. Peace out.